Alright, man, we got 30 seconds till airtime. Thanks, buddy. Welcome back, everybody! It's me, Johnny the C. Skabowski on Crew 97, the Aardvark! Oh, that's right, everybody, you know who makes the Aardvark sound here, Crew 97, Kip O'Malley! Let him know you're here, Kip! Come on, Kip, let him really know you're here! That's right, Kip, way to go, buddy. I don't know how I do it without you. Now listen, everybody, I gotta let you know about something, okay? I'm gonna be making an appearance at the Rhythm and Blues nightclub. I'm hosting a wet t-shirt contest. That's right, from 10 to last call, I want everyone to show up and support me, okay? I need your support, Crew 97 listeners. Alright, on a more serious note, I must say this Thursday, I'm making an appearance at the Kent Children's Hospital charity. Now listen, people, you need to give to the children. We're their only hope. The kids need us. You don't want them to die, do you?
Yeah. Take it, baby.
Not appropriate, Kip, okay? Alright, listen, have you ever had one of those days where you can't turn on the radio without listening to a really, really good song?
Right, 2 minutes and 36 seconds, alright, Tim?
Okay, listen. And we're back! It's me, Johnny the C. Skabowski, and my buddy, Kip O'Malley!
Well, I'm not a crook.
That's right. Listen, everybody, before we pick up with the show, we're actually going to need to take another quick commercial break. Listen! What the f***? If you keep interrupting me, if you do it one more time, I'm gonna kick you in the nuts, okay? What the f***, man? Do you understand what you're doing, you dumb little f***? I mean, seriously, is this really necessary? I could do my f***ing job too, but you're not letting me do my job because you...
Well, I'm not a crook.
It's our idea. Our values. We built America. Values that allowed us to coordinate, made up of immigrants
Well, I'm not a
every
crook.
corner of the globe.
Many people think
Values that drive our citizens.
is to grow a finished product.
Every day, Americans feel responsible for their families.